5.6 problem number 13. In what ratio does the point Q of 1,6 divide the line segment joining the points P of 2,7 and R of minus 2,3? Option A is 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 1:3 and option D is 3:1. So solution, a line divides internally in the ratio m:/n, that is the point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So we drawn one line P, R and Q is the midpoint. The points are 2,7 and Q is 1,6, R is minus 2,3 in the ratio m:/n. So the point P is 1,6, that is midpoint 1,6 is equal to minus 2m plus 2n divided by m plus n. Here we doesn't know the value of m and n. We just substitute the points. Comma 3m plus 7n, that is y2 and y1 value alone we substitute here, divided by m plus n. The next step is you have to equate the x coordinate. Minus 2m plus 2n divided by m plus n is equal to 1. The next step is cross multiplication. Minus 2m plus 2n is equal to m plus n. Minus 2m plus 2n minus m minus n is equal to 0. That is minus 3m is equal to n minus 2n. 3m is equal to n. m by n is equal to 1 by 3. That is m:/n is equal to 1:3. Similarly, we can equate the y coordinate or otherwise the second term, that is also you get the same ratio. 3m plus 7n divided by m plus n is equal to 6. Cross multiplication. 3m plus 7n is equal to 6m plus 7n. 3m minus 6m is plus 7n minus 6n is equal to 0. Minus 3m plus n is equal to 0. Because 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 3m is equal to n. Similarly, m by n is equal to 1 by 3. That is the ratio is 1:3. Therefore, the correct option is option C, 1:3. Question number 14 in exercise 5.6. If the coordinates of one end of the diameter of a circle is 3, 4 and the coordinates of its center is minus 3, 2, then the coordinate of the other end of the diameter is dash. Option A 0, minus 3, option B 0, 9, option C 3, 0 and option D is minus 9, 0. So solution, let the other end of the diameter we doesn't know, so let it be A, B. So midpoint of a line is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint is given in the question. Minus 3, 2 is equal to 1 point is 3, 4. So 3 plus a by 2, 4 plus b divided by 2. Only one point is given, that is 3, 4. Other point is a, b. So just equate the x and y coordinate. 3 plus a by 2 is equal to minus 3. So 3 plus a is equal to minus 6. The a value is minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Similarly, 4 plus b by 2 is equal to 2. Cross multiplication. 4 plus b is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4 minus 4. The value is 0. So the correct option is option D, minus 9, 0. Question number 15. The ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment joining the points A of A1, B1 and B of A2, B2 is dash. Option A B1:B2, option B minus B1:B2, option C A1:A2 and option D is minus A1:A2. So solution, a line divides internally in the ratio m:/n. We know the formula. The point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Here the point P is a, 0, which is equal to ma2 plus na1 divided by m plus n, mb2 plus nb1 divided by m plus n. We are just equating the y coordinate. that is mb2 plus nb1 divided by m plus n is equal to 0. If you cross multiply, you get 0. So mb2 is plus nb1 is equal to 0. We are taking nb1 to right hand side, you get minus nb1. So m by n is equal to minus b1 by b2, that is in the ratio m is to n is equal to minus b1 is to b2. So the correct option is option B, minus b1 is to b2. Question number 16. The ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment joining the points 6, 4 and 1, minus 7 is dash. So previous 15th question is given as general, the same question, but here they given the points. This dash. Option A is 2 is to 3, option B is 3 is to 4, option C is 4 is to 7 and option D is 4 is to 3. So solution. A line divides internally in the ratio m is to n. That is the point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. That is P is equal to, we just substitute the points here, m x2 value is 1 plus n into x1 value is 6 divided by m plus n, y2 value is minus 7m plus y1 value is 4n divided by m plus n. So the point P is a, 0 because it lies on x-axis, so y coordinate is 0, which is equal to m plus 6n divided by m plus n, minus 7m plus 4n divided by m plus n. We just equate the y coordinate. So 0 is equal to minus 7m plus 4n divided by m plus n. So cross multiplication. Minus 7m plus 4n is equal to 0, 4n is equal to 7m. So m by n is equal to 4 by 7. The ratio is 4 is to 7. So the correct option is option C, 4 is to 7. Question number 17. If the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides AB, BC and CA of a triangle are 3, 4, 1, 1 and 2, minus 3 respectively, then the vertices A and B of the triangle are dash. Option A is 3, 2, 2, 4. Option B 4, 0, 2, 8. Option C is 3, 4, 2, 0. Option D is 4, 3, 2, 4. So here we doesn't know the vertices of the triangle. We know only the midpoint of the side, midpoint or sides of the triangle. So we already know, we already see the model problem like this. Problem number 7 in exercise 5.5. Before centroid we can find the vertices. So similar same model problem, you just try it. You get 6 equations. From that equation you can easily find the vertices of A, B and C. So this is your homework. You just do the problem. The correct option is option B. The A vertices is 4, 0 and B vertices is 2, 8. You just try this problem. This is your homework problem. Question number 18. The midpoint of the line joining minus a, 2b and minus 3a, minus 4b is dash. Option A is 2a, 3b. Option B is minus 2a, minus b. Option C is 2a, b. And option D is minus 2a, minus 3b. So solution, midpoint of the line formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. You just substitute the values of x1 and x2, y1 and y2 in the formula. The value of x1 is minus a and y1 is minus 3a. This is your x1, y1 and x2, y2. So substitute the values in the formula. You get minus a minus 3a by 2, y1 is 2b, y2 value is minus 4b by 2, which is equal to minus 4a by 2, 2b minus 4b is minus 2b divided by 2, which is equal to the value is minus 2a, minus b. The correct option is option B. Then question number 19. In what ratio does the y-axis divides the line joining the points minus 5 comma 1 and 2 comma 3 internally dash. You have to find the ratio, that is the value of m and n. So option A is 1 is to 3, option B is 2 is to 5, option C is 3 is to 1 and option D is 5 is to 2. So solution, when it cut the y-axis, the point P is 0 comma A. So consider the figure x dash y dash. We have the line AB, the point is minus 5 comma 1 and point B is 2 comma 3. You have the point P is 0 comma A, it cut the y-axis. So a line divides internally in the ratio m is to n. We know the formula. The point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So the point is 0 comma A, which is equal to, you just substitute the values of x1, x2, this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2 value. So you just substitute the values in the formula, you get 2m minus 5n divided by m plus n, comma 3m plus n divided by m plus n. You just equating the x coordinate. So 2m minus 5n by m plus n is equal to 0. Then the next step is cross multiplication. So you get 2m minus 5n is equal to 0, 2m is equal to 5n, m by n is equal to 5 by 2. The ratio m is to n is equal to 5 is to 2. The correct option is option D, 5 is to 2. Question number 20. If 1 comma minus 2, 3 comma 6, x comma 10 and 3 comma 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then the value of x is dash. Option A 6, option B 5, option C 4, option D 3. Solution, we consider ABCD is a parallelogram. So you just draw one rough diagram and mark the vertices ABCD. And the coordinates of A is 1 comma minus 2, B is 3 comma 6, C is x comma 10 and D is 3 comma 2. In a parallelogram, we know that midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So we know the points. Using the midpoint formula, we just substitute the values. That is 1 plus x divided by 2 minus 2 plus 10 divided by 2, which is equal to the BD value is 3 plus 3 divided by 2, comma 6 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 plus x by 2, which is equal to 6 by 2. We just equate only the x coordinate. So 1 plus x is equal to 6 because 2 gets cancelled. So x is equal to 6 minus 1. The value of x is 5. So the correct option is option B, 5. So that's all students. In exercise 5.6 you have only 21 marks question. Thank you students. Up to this exercise, that is unit 5 is over. Coordinate geometry. But we skip exercise 5.1 graph. For next videos we can see unit 6. Thank you students. Have a nice day.